been a member of this union for almost 25 years, starting from an apprentice in a paper mill in Southern Ohio. My first progress meeting is it's a great opportunity. I'm coming off the heels of some great things that former International Vice President Gina Cooper has done. So she's built some great things, and so carrying those on, but also adding to them and trying to bring just a fresh look and perspective to what we have going on. We're at unprecedented growth right now, so I think it's great to bring together tonight in particular all of our industrial partners, from manufacturing, the products that go into the grid, and to the electrical construction market, to the installation.
So here in the IBEW 4th District, we have some of the best NECA chapter managers in the entire country. We have some veterans that have been around for a long time, and we have some very, very new people that are bringing really exciting things to the table, and everybody really works well together. So this is an exciting area to be in, whether you're with the IBEW, whether you're with NECA.
Our theme this year is grounded in strength, energized for the future. We're grounded in strength in that the IBEW is the largest energy union in the world. And we have to recognize that, and sometimes we forget that. We forget how big and powerful the IBEW actually is. I think it's key that we all walk away with the understanding that together we're stronger.
The importance of having a strong partnership with the IBEW is maintaining and gaining market share. In the ever-changing world that we live in today, if NECA and the IBEW don't work together to keep pace, we're really going to be in trouble. And in the areas where there is cooperation and they do work together, you can see the reflection of that in the market share. We don't agree on everything, and there's times when we disagree, but I think for the most part, in most areas, we really do work well together.
When we grow, they grow. When they grow, we grow. So we're intertwined in a lot of ways, and we want to keep that going moving forward.
The partnership between IBEW and NRDC is very unique. We are one of the strongest, most strategic, most sophisticated environmental nonprofits that are working in this space. Advocacy work, like the NRDC does, is not new to the IBEW, but what we do know is that when we partner our sophistication with the IBEW, everything goes up a notch. We're talking about hundreds, if not thousands, of local construction jobs for IBEW members to put the members of the IBEW to work close to home so that they can get home at night and spend time with their families. We're seeing improved schools. We're seeing investments in police and fire and other public safety and community services. And when you put the NRDC together with the IBEW, we have an unparalleled team to get out there and win.
There's tons of opportunity here, and there's tons of opportunity for growth.
I think it's important for the membership at IBEW to understand just how powerful their voice is. When they show up in these local hearings, at the local town hall, and make their voice heard, we win.
I think with us working together, the sky's the limit. I'll be working a lot with Austin, and I hope that we will be able to work together and develop strategies and really cooperate to grow the industry in the 4th District.
We're the fighting fourth. I mean, it's a long tradition of doing it. We're built to grow, built to fight, built to build strength, and together we can do that.